Hey everybody, Francis here from Vickar Mitsubishi. Today we have a 2020 Mitsubishi RVR ES all-wheel control. So this does have the all-wheel control. It does have the Bluetooth, the heated seats, and the backup camera. This car is low kilometers and perfect for its price. So let's get into the interior. So getting into the interior of this RVR, it does have the analog display. Has a nice touchscreen display, heated seats, four-wheel drive or all-wheel control. It does have the cloth seating, and when you put into reverse, it has a backup camera. Vickar Mitsubishi, where customers send their friends.